Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today, we're not looking at my car right now because it is gosh darn filthy and disgusting. One, it was left out under a tree all night, so it's got sap all over the place. Last week, it was sitting out in the sprinkler, so it's got water spots all over it. It is gross. But right now, we're on the way to Derek's house. We're gonna put a quick wash on the entire car, make it look real nice, and then we're going to M1 Concourse Cars and Coffee at 8:30 in the morning tomorrow. Big day, really cool. We did one of these like 2 summers ago. We have modded the car since the last one quite a bit. So that'll be new, it'll be different. I might be running this red light. And yeah, that's where we're at. Oh my goodness. We got sap everywhere. Water spots just, it's literally sticky. It's dragging my finger. That's disgusting. So we're getting her washed, quite clearly. Well, that's a little more presentable, but the wheels are still pretty gross. So we're gonna hit those with a little ceramic detailer. See if that even does anything. Oh!
There's like literally 4 different pieces.
Yeah. And McLaren is gosh darn nice looking. Dealer plate on the 570. Let's go. Doors up, baby.
Oh yeah, good work, guys.
It's V9 S5. Oh, hello. Oh yeah, it's a cop right there. Coming to you absolutely ripping off 5 hours of sleep. But it is the morning and we are cruising. About to squat up with some friends and then hit M1. That's all the intro is. Alright, so we actually just saw who we're meeting. We're gonna go get them quick and then I guess squat up and all go to this Cars and Coffee. Literally, we're stopped at a stoplight and saw them all pass by. Cool group of cars. There's an R8, an F12, a 650S. Alright, we've officially caught up with the crew. It took a little bit of spirited driving, but we made it. Lambo action here. Oh, it's the guy that went on the rally. There's John. Oh my gosh. This wrap is nuts.
This wrap is sick.
It's like a bronze green. Huracan 650. F12, RS7, R8, the FRS, and then of course, yours truly. And we got 2 behind us too. But this is gonna be fun. I need some coffee, if you can't tell by my voice.
I got another Shelby.
Wow, Carroll Shelby sign, that is so cool. Clean E90, this color is so nice. Slammed on the Rohanas. Those are nice wheels. I like those a lot.
They race all these cars.
Oh yeah, these are the
Is that the kind of car that you're getting at?
Little Performante and a Rolls combo in the garage. Wouldn't mind that. E63. This finish is so nice with the red calipers. V8 bi-turbo. Nice. Nice. Wow, this color looks so good. I need a lip like that. Evo's rolling out. Gosh, look at this spec. That's amazing. I love that spec. green belts, green calipers.
I think that's my favorite thing that cars have.
Doesn't look like an AMX.
Little Evo and a Spider pulling up. Fun. How fun. The whole gang.
Oh, he's out of pocket.
Montana.
This special.
Guys,
I
it's
have
so
my drone,
cool how
but-
it's like on that.
Adios. Woo! Well, that was fun. Good day at M1 Concourse. First time, like I mentioned, that I've been there in like 2 years, so the turnout was awesome. If I had to guess, there were probably like 400 or 500 cars there, so a ton of people we knew showed up. The VIP line we kind of just snuck into on accident, which was like, I don't know, maybe it was the people that we were with because we were behind like a Ferrari, a McLaren, and an Audi R8. I don't know, me and Alex were just like, yep, we're with them, and they didn't ask any other questions, so they were like, all right. I just got a chair today, so my setup is like complete. So I am officially like moved in, all settled downstate here in Southeast Michigan, and we're actually crossing Woodward right now. So a lot more Woodward content to come, a lot more car stuff to come. I'm trying to figure out like the cars and coffee schedules. The weather this week is atrocious. Right now, I'm honestly surprised it's not raining really hard because yesterday it was flooding. If you guys are from the area, you know what's going on right now. We are getting rain for the next like 10 days straight. So probably not a ton of car stuff actually going on, but we're gonna try and figure out how to keep the content fresh for you guys. If you watched my last video, you'll know that I start my job July 2nd. That's just another like thing to think about, I guess. So yeah, Woodward Dream Cruise is happening this year. It's official, it is not canceled, and it is sponsored. I think Ford sponsored it, which is kind of nuts, but expect a video for that. Hopefully I'm not working because it is on a weekend, but I don't know my hours yet. But I'm gonna get settled into the job, start working hard, and keep making videos. So if you guys want to see more of this content, or if you're new to the channel, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Let's get to 6,000 subscribers. That'd be sweet. I think we just hit 5,800, so that's really cool. Let's get to, you know what, let's get to 10K. So let's be ambitious here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, we'll see ya.